Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. So this video is about a beginner-friendly survey site whereby beginners in doing paid online surveys can work on this particular site using multiple accounts on anti-detect browsers and be able to make something without the fear of being banned or disqualified while completing surveys, because every single survey on the site I'm going to show you, you can easily qualify on it without any issue. The only problem, they send you invites on your email or on your account dashboard, and the site is called Enroll. So they can send you like 20 or 30 new tests or surveys to complete, and the only disadvantage about this is that the test or survey sent to your email or on your account dashboard, they expire pretty fast. So if you're among the first people to complete the tests, you are sure to make a lot of money from Enroll. So they favor quick fingers, those people who are always online and are always ready to respond to whichever test that is sent to the account. So, and remember, one thing I love about Enroll, the minimum cash out is around $1, and they support payment using PayPal, and they pay on 11th day of every single month, and you don't have to request a withdrawal. As long as your account has hit the minimum of $1, they automatically send that amount to your provided PayPal email on your account. So let me show you the site. This is the site. If you don't have an account, you just click sign up there. Yeah, you click sign up. So, but I want to show you the homepage. It's a very easy survey site, but has been on for so many years. This was the site which I used to hustle for so many years before I started doing other types of surveys. So you can see you'll be the first to give opinion on companies. You can take their test anywhere, earn rewards, and your feedback can help to change the web. So you can see people have taken like this amount of tests, like 651k and above. So you enroll today by just clicking the register button here. Just use your email and sign up using your email and password, or sign up directly using your Google or your Gmail. So since I already have an account, as usual, I'll just log into my account. Now I'll show you how to get tests. So you can see now on my account, I have one available test. So if I don't do this one, if I don't complete this one very fast, it might be, the quota might be filled very fast. So before I even tell you about it, let me show you my test history so that you can see what I'm saying. You see, my last activity was on 2022. Yeah, but when they sent me this email on my email, you see this one is this email on 23rd, yesterday I think, 19th July, 20th July. This email, you see, they have been even sending me earlier, but this one's made me think of sharing this this site with my followers, specifically for the beginners, so that can be able to make something online without fear of being banned or disqualified. So the last time I was active is 2022, but I think I'll be back again, yeah, so that I can make, even me, I can get an extra money, extra cash for buying some credit or have some fun. So this is my last activity on 2022. You can see I was very active. There's a day here I completed like 3 tests in a day. You see, yeah. So you have to be very fast when you log into your account and you see that there is a test available here. Always be the first to complete this test. Now, how do you qualify to get this test? Now they have a very unique system. For you to get many invites, you have to create a profile. I don't want to create my you have to come here and create your own profile. I don't want to create here because it's going to expose my profile and many people are going to duplicate it and can easily get get many of us banned. So once you create an account, come to profile, fill out your profile the same way we do for other survey sites. And once you are done, come to this home page here. There is a poll section here. For example, they give you polls or questions for you to fill. And the more questions you fill in a day, yeah, the more questions you fill in your day, you get some badges and some points. So the trick is getting like 5,000 and above points and getting as many badges as you can for your activity. These are badges are as a result of a reward for being active in filling up, in completing polls and completing the test, the available test. You get paid in badges, and they have various missions, and the higher you go under the missions, the more you'll be getting paid tests. If I was active like before, here I could be having like 30 tests available for me to complete, but now I have not been very active. Yeah, and I told you the reasons why. So the trick of getting more paid tests is having more points and having more badges and completing more missions, which can be achieved by completing this polls here. So they ask you basic questions like this one: what is your preferred method when shopping for clothes online? You can choose whichever you want, then click submit. They gave you the how you stack up. They never end these questions. You keep on answering them as much as you can, and from answering these questions, remember this ones you do after you fill your profile here. When you're answering these questions, they get to know more about you, and they get to know the type of tests which they are going to send you. So it's very important to complete the polls. Complete as many as you can. When I was active, you see I've completed like 2,500 polls, and I've gotten like 459 badges, that's 6,000 points, and I'm on Mission Hub. So make sure you earn as much points and as much badges as you can. You see, I'm on Mission 1. I haven't even moved. So the higher you go on the missions and the number of badges you accumulate, the better. So for example, this badge here is for, I have completed all 6 missions. This one is for what? You advance to a new mission in less than a week. Yeah. Any milestone you achieve, you get a badge. And the more badges and points you get, the more tests you'll be given. So all these are waiting to be filled by me. Yeah. So that's the only way, that's the only hidden thing that can enable you to get more points. If you register and you're not active in filling up the polls, depending with your profile, you won't be getting a lot of tests here. So I'm insisting again, when you register on Enroll, complete your profile, then make sure you complete these polls daily. Complete as many of them as you can, and you see magic. Your email, you'll be flooded with such invites. They can be worth around 0.5, $1, $2. It all depends with the type of test that they sent to you. And the test they sent you depends with your profile and these polls that you answer here. Yeah, so that's it about this site called Enroll. This one is specifically for beginners. This video is just for beginners. If you are a pro, leave this one for the small fishes to enjoy also, so that they can make multiple accounts on anti-detect browsers and run multiple states and using different profiles. And they provide various PayPal emails, and they'll be paid on every single month automatically on the 11th day by the Enroll. So guys, check out Enroll, and in case you try it out, give me the feedback under the comment section. I'll be very happy to see the progress of my followers or my subscribers. So thank you for watching, and if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. If you have not subscribed and you enjoy my content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be very much grateful. So guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video.